Chapter 12 The Fox and the Wolf. Once upon a time, a wolf lived in a forest. He had taken a fox to his service. He was very harsh to her and was always searching for opportunity to harass her. Though it was unbearable for her, she was unable to do anything because the wolf was much stronger than her. So, she had no choice but to serve him. On the occasion, the fox went to steal a lamb from a farm for the wolf and was successful. On another occasion, she went to steal cakes from kitchen window of the farmhouse. Without being seen, she again managed and brought the food for the wolf. The greedy and careless wolf thought, if fox can do it, why can't I? So he himself went to steal another lamb and the rest of the cakes in full confidence. But he did not know that stealing is not his cup of tea. It is a work which needs cleverness and alertness. Since the wolf lacked these two qualities, he failed to do so. The farmer saw him and the wolf was beaten with a stick. Coming house empty-handed, he vented his rage on the fox. Several days passed and one day the wolf ordered the fox, "Go and get me something to eat or I will eat you up." The fox then replied, "I have seen a farmer's storeroom. It is full of goodies, sausages, jams and cheese. If you want to have all these, I'll show you where it is." The wolf agreed but said, "I don't want any more nasty surprises like similar to that happened before, so you have to go with me." Then both of them went to the farmer's storeroom. They had to enter through a small hole, so they crawled through it. There was plenty of food, so the greedy wolf could not control and threw himself at it. But the clever fox ran to the hole after every mouthful so that she might be able to escape if any danger occurred there. The wolf noticed and started laughing at the fox. Then he asked the fox, "Why are you wasting time like that instead of eating? I am not leaving this place until I have finished everything that I can find here." At the same moment, the farmer came into the storeroom with a stick in his hand as he was disturbed by the noises. The fox was already alert, so she managed to slip out of the hole as quickly as possible. Thus, she escaped being beaten and could run back to the woods to be quite safe. On the other hand, the wolf could not squeeze through the hole as his stomach bloated, so he had to suffer a severe beating yet again at the hands of the farmer. Chapter 13